Hey there, deal hunters! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we uncover the best ways to save money and make the most out of your hard-earned cash. Are you tired of watching your pennies disappear faster than a magician's rabbit? It feels like no matter how hard you try to save, your money just vanishes into thin air, right? Well, grab your wallets and prepare to save some serious cash. Today, we have something truly special that will help you keep more of your money where it belongs, in your pocket. Today, I'm spilling the beans about an awesome discount on Acorns, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. This is a game changer for anyone looking to invest wisely without any hassle. But before we dive in, smash that like button and click the link in the description below to get your exclusive discount. Go ahead, I'll wait. Your support helps us bring you more amazing deals and tips. Done! Great, let's get to it. You're going to love what we have in store for you today. So what's the deal with Acorns? You might be wondering how this app can make such a big difference in your financial life. Well, if you're not familiar, Acorns is an app that helps you invest your spare change. It's designed to make investing simple and accessible for everyone, even if you're just starting out. Imagine buying a coffee for $3.50 and having that extra 50 cents automatically invested for you. It's a seamless way to grow your savings without even thinking about it. It's like having a mini financial advisor that lives in your pocket. Acorns takes the guesswork out of investing and helps you build a solid financial future. Now here's the juicy part. This is where things get really exciting. With the special coupon code I've got for you today, you'll get a sweet discount on your Acorns subscription. This means you can start investing with even less money up front. That means more money in your pocket and more investing power. You'll be amazed at how quickly your savings can grow with just a little bit of effort. Who doesn't love the sound of that? Saving money while investing smartly is a win-win situation. Think about all the things you could do with those savings. The possibilities are endless when you have a little extra cash on hand. Maybe a little extra treat for yourself. Or hey, why not save up for that dream vacation? The possibilities are endless. Imagine the freedom and opportunities that come with financial security. And seriously, using Acorns is easier than pie. The app is user-friendly and designed to make investing as simple as possible. You just link your debit or credit card, spend as you normally do, and watch your investments grow. It's that easy.